Hey there, I just dropped my wife and daughter off at Girl Guide camp, and while they're unpacking and stuff, I'm going to do some droning and some photography just in the local woods. And it's kind of my first drone of the year, so that's kind of fun. And it's got some good views of kind of the mountains far off and the local hills. This is public land use area in Alberta, and this is Mockingjay. I think it's called Camp Mockingjay. Anyways, I'll throw up a map of where it is. Okay, well, here's a little map. Down here is where I am in my town. And if we follow this highway and then make a northward turn all the way up here, this is around where I was last week. If we go all the way up here, you'll see we arrive at this Camp Mockingjay area right here. So yeah, a lot of wilderness around there. But anyways, that's what I'm doing. Just another short woodland. It's going to be a lot of woodland coming at you because that's what I've got around here. So hopefully that's fun. But I'm kind of switching it up today with some drone shots, and we'll see how those turn out. So yeah, and also some sort of regular photography around that. So if that sounds good, check them out. And I'll send I'll do my usual one or two and then a gallery where I do all of them. And we'll see about the editing. I don't always like to present me editing stuff because I feel that can be kind of dry. Sometimes I like to get straight to the photos. Anyways, enjoy, and we'll see you in the vid. Well, in the end, I didn't actually get that many drone pictures that were great. The weather wasn't all that brilliant, and look, if you can see in this photo in the distance, there's been so much rain that the river, which is usually sort of a really nice blue in the scenery and sort of aqua colored, is silty and murky. So I got some good, I had a good time with it, and I did some flying around. It was great to get the cobwebs off the drone. But in terms of good shots and stuff, I didn't have much of a chance. But still fun to do. I think Saruman's orcs have been around here. Better get out of here. So I couldn't get away with the whole video without doing a little bit of lichen or moss. I seem to enjoy including those. So here's a couple from one of these is like a log that fell over and kind of made an interesting shot, and the other one is just a close-up of this stuff lichen hanging off a branch. It was kind of ghosty gray in color or lack of color. So the next in this series of photos is kind of a fun one. This chipmunk was following me in the woods, or like noticed that I was following him and taking an interest in him, and decided to hang around, and he almost posed for the camera. It was kind of cool. So I think I had some chipmunks or a chipmunk in a previous video, so I seem to have a thing for them. I wish I could get some larger animals in my videos, but that'll do for now. And here's the next one. All right, coming up is the last pics that I've got for you today. It's sort of a kind of looks like a Druidic arrangement of wooden stools. It kind of almost looks like a Stonehenge or something, and a forest path. Okay, well, thanks a lot for joining me again on the channel. I would love to have you back again for another episode soon. I don't know what it'll be, woodland or maybe even an urban walk or something like that. We'll see. And in the meantime, if you like any of those pics, I'd love a comment to let me know what you like about them or don't like. That's fair enough too. And if you have felt like helping me grow the channel, I would love to subscribe. Anyways, so I hope to see you again and take care. Bye.